So the Google Pixel 3 is right around the corner, and wait, no it's not. It's actually 5 months away from now. But anyway, there are a ton of rumors going around about this new phone. Some of them true, some of them not. But here's a closer look at the new Google Pixel 3. This right here is a leaked image you've probably seen before. It's the screen protectors made for the Google Pixel 3 and 3 XL, which is very convincing because the companies that make the stuff always get early access to these new smartphones long before the release. So as you can already tell, yes, the Pixel 3 XL will be getting a notch, unfortunately, but the regular Pixel 3 has very thin side bezels, no notch, and pretty big chins on the top and bottom. You know, I feel like Google is always doing a little bit of what Apple does, but only a year later. Remember that time they were roasting Apple for getting rid of the headphone jack? Well, the very next year, Google also got rid of the headphone jack on the Pixel. Apple puts a notch on the iPhone 10, Google does that, but a year later, you see where this is going? But really, we should have seen this coming with Android P coming out with notch support. It basically can support all kinds of notches, so yeah, I guess the Pixel 3 is gonna get that notch. Well anyway, this photo shows us not just the confirmation of a notch, but also that Google plans to keep the speakers on the front of the phone still. It's either that or they could just put it on the bottom of the phone. But keep in mind that there's going to be some improvement in those speakers. And in case you didn't know, Google does own the team that made those pretty awesome speakers for HTC smartphones. So I'm expecting really good audio on the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. And of course, there will be improvements in the cameras. Even a year later, the Pixel 2 has one of the best cameras on any phone right now. So of course the Pixel 3 is gonna do an even better job at everything its older brother does. Now I know you want to hear specs, but the only thing that's sort of confirmed for now is that the Pixel 3 is gonna be packing a Snapdragon 845 processor, which is the same processor most flagships are gonna get this year. And so that is your first look at the Google Pixel 3. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Is this any different from the Pixel 2 from last year? And what do you think about it? Are you excited for it? Let me know down in the comments and I will check those out. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Hit subscribe if you are new to this channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.